Hello everyone. Today is December 12th, 2022. It's 11:38 a.m. I think that I just finished with my trades for today. Market has not been very friendly. However, I was able to make some money with crude. So I wanted to show you these entries here and why am I taking them and basically it review the entries and see if we can learn a little bit about this one. So you see that crude. I made a video over the weekend and I said that crude might be a little bit overextended, and surely enough it has been a little bit of reversal today. On the dailies, crude is still heading south, but this one was a good counter trend supported by both the 30 minutes chart and also the Renko chart. So let's review what I have. I'm gonna also clean this one a little bit, but I'm gonna explain you what I'm doing. So basically, I'm trying to trade 6 contracts in crude, and sometimes since I'm replicating this one with the trader copier that Apex provide, then this thing doesn't always take all of them. So just because my main trade is with the full contracts. So this one is a micro, and I'm using Apex. If you want to know what or if you want to subscribe to Apex, you can review the description of this channel and see if this is something that you would like to do. Basically, the strategy in here is to keep the losses very tight and grow your account systematically and try not to run on a sprint, but remember that this could be a long process, so more similar to a marathon. So okay, so let's see what I have here. So in the morning I couldn't trade. I had other things to do, so I missed a couple of trades. This one here, it's not very clean and not very clear, but it's a higher high off of this one. The first trade was actually in the morning at 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. It was kind of like a reversal, but there was not a clean setup here, I would say. But there's a break out of this high here with a double bottom. So I was looking at this one in the morning, and it didn't meet all my requirements, so I didn't take this one. But there was another one in here, like a one retracement, and for me it was a little bit too extended on this, so I didn't take this one either. Then it came back, and before the market opened, I was not looking at this at all. So at 9 a.m. When crude market opens, then there was a little bit of bounce off of this smooth 50, but the price was still in the cloud, so no clean setup there. This one is way better. I was not looking at the chart, and I was away from my computer actually, but everything looks good in this entry here. So you have a week out of 3 things. You have a week out of the cloud, the 34 EMA, and also if you go here, you have the momentum within an area where you can take the trade. So this one here was good, and in here there was a break out of this 30 minutes, a little bit of retracement. So I was looking at the computer, just turned on my computer, and I saw this one and I jumped into it. So that was the first entry, and that was good for one target, and coming back here, and I was stopped out there. The market has continued to move higher. There was a little bit of more money to do, but remember, you want to keep your stop tied in a evaluation. There was another entry here, and this one was really clean, and I did not take it, but it was a really clean entry right there. So you have this entry would have been right there, and then you have a bounce off of the zero line of the slow and fast lines on the momentum indicator. So this one came up, and you have this nice one target, and then a second there, a second contract would be sold on that first retracement there. Now the market has started to wiggle a little bit, so there was a 3 bars continued there. I did not take this one, but I took the next one. So I saw this formation. You have that, and that. And this one is a break out of that level. So I took that one. It's a week out of the 21 EMA, and then moved for first target right there, and second target on the retracement there. So 2 trades in between all of them. It was $250 gain for the day, and I think that I'm out. This one, it could be a good one, but it doesn't meet my criteria. It's actually in the lower part of this red area. Tempting to take it, but remember, you have to be safe. You have to take it's probably moving to the upside, but it's below the cloud. It's below it's a counter trend. So I'm out, and I think that $250 for today would be okay. Unless I see something more coming up in the afternoon, and also it's 15 minutes to noon, so it's a little bit late also for me to take trades. In the afternoon, when the volume comes back up, probably I would take another trade. We'll see. Especially if it goes above this 73, 77 level. We'll see. Okay, so that's the update. I hope you like the video, and subscribe and like. Thank you so much.